Everybody, and welcome to English 103 on this beautiful October morning in New Orleans, my home. To get started on the course, I want you to know first that you do have an assignment due Friday at 8 a.m. It is a diagnostic essay, and you should be working in the class throughout the week to get it accomplished. Finishing this diagnostic, it's only 5% of your grade. No, it doesn't have to be perfection, but it lets me know that you're working in the class, in other words, that you're attending, and those who don't submit it will have their spots taken by the students. Now, we have a very brief semester with just 7 weeks, so it's important to stay on top of things, and that means going through the modules, spending probably 10 to 15 hours a week on it, and emailing me and getting help when necessary. My office hours are Thursdays from 8 to 1 California time. I'm very responsive to you, and I can meet with you via Zoom really at any time of the week whenever you want to. The essays that we're working on are argumentative. They are much different than anything that you might have done in English 101. In English 101, typically you're doing exposition, research-based essays. The essays that you're doing here are opinion pieces. So you want to be careful with just being confident to give your voice to an essay, to develop your thinking, to let people see the world the way that you do. And really, opinion is the basis for everything here. We're going to practice certain skills called ethos, pathos, and logos. You're going to read them and understand them throughout the course, through the notes and the videos, and it'll be very important to apply them essay by essay. All right, welcome for now. Again, I'm here to help you whenever you have questions, and please, please, please reach out at any time. I look forward to working with you. We'll talk soon.